Here's examples of some of the questions. Now, please note that these are not questions from the exam itself. These are some of the example questions that they had available on the website. Once again, that NDA coming in. So it looks like this. It's a multiple choice question. They go ahead and give you an objective. They tell you a little bit about what you should do. They will give you 2 choices or 2 answers or 3 or just 1. And then you'll have to read each of these scenarios and pick the very best one that you think might solve that problem. As mentioned before, the first half of the exam are questions like these. So you'll have to be able to place yourself in that scenario and know exactly what is the best answer. So students in your history class are having difficulty understanding the significance of World War II. What activities could you help that could help students get more engaged? They can create a YouTube video. They can, as a teacher, you can do a form. Students use a research tool and put that information into docs. Students ask your questions at the end of the chapter on World War II. So which are the 2 of the 4 that you think are the best ones? And I see someone already went ahead and said, exactly, YouTube and research tool. Why? Because it's students, not the teachers, who's getting the information or creating the information. So inside the question itself, look for that key that kind of leads you into what exactly the answer is. And you may not have to know exactly what these are. It would help if you do. But the question itself kind of lends itself to what the answer is on some of these. Another example would be a drag and drop, where you have to drag up and reorder the information so that it fits with what's in the left column. There are like 4 of those. So it's just a matter of just making sure that you understand the benefits of using Google. These are the features. Then go ahead and click on and reorder the information inside. Here's another one with an objective for you to go ahead and click the best answer to. And another one in that same mode. So I'm going to also give you a link to this site. Now, it does say that it wants you to pay $35 for the guide itself. You don't have to. What you can do is go ahead and scroll down on this page, and it will give you scenarios that are similar to the ones that happen to be on the actual exam. So if you want more of a clarification as to what they can ask, what form it is in, and how should I answer that, this is a perfect page to do so. Users can check their Google calendars on which devices, and then we'll have a list of different devices for you to choose from. Another one is, when scheduling a meeting to discuss a document, one can add an attachment to that event, true or false. So notice it didn't say the actual email, which is different. We're talking about a calendar event, whether or not you can attach things to a calendar event. So you'll need to know the difference between those. And one more is, what can you do in the Omnibox? Does anyone actually know what the Omnibox is? It's a mysterious device unknown to man. Actually, no. It's that area up here on the top where you have your Google search. That's all it is. You just type in what you're looking for. They call it the Omnibox, but it's just the search thing, okay? And that's the way you can research and find information using Google search. All right, so I'm going to go back to here. So when I give you the link to the actual presentation, and what I will probably end up doing is sending you another follow-up email that will have all the links in it to your resources in case you're unable to get into this right now or you forget where it is.